Hello everybody. So today I am talking to you all from the inside of our car. It's going to be a long weekend for us because Monday, May 24th is a holiday, and both me and my husband, we took an off today as well. That is the Friday, and we thought to go and explore the Halton Hills Conservation area here in Ontario. So that's where we are driving to right now, and it's going to take almost 30 minutes to get there. And you usually book a slot before going there. You have to pick up a 2-hour slot during which you will go, and you can go and hike, and then there are 3 hiking trails, and you can choose which one you will be doing, but we will figure out all those details once we reach there. But for now I just wanted to give you an introduction as to where we are headed to today. So stay tuned for more details, and I will see you in some time. Bye for now.
So first you type Hilton Falls Conservation Area. It takes you to the conservationhalton.ca, where you click on reserve your park visit now, and then you select the conservation area you need to go to. For example, I selected Hilton Falls, and then it takes you to a form where you need to fill in all those details. Like if you're already a conservation Halton member, then you select CH member, but I was not, so I selected non-member. And then you select the visit date, and then it shows you all the time slots that are available, and it also tells you if they are busy or not busy. So you can only reserve a 2-hour slot when you visit one of these parks. You select the number of adults or seniors or children traveling, and then once you click on continue, it takes you to the next page where you fill in first name, last name, and the license plate is very, very important. And then you check all the terms and conditions and complete reservation.
So getting ready to start the hike, putting on some sunscreen, and don't forget your bug spray. So hello everybody, we are about to start our trail, and I will show you the path we are taking. Hello friends, so we have finally reached, and this is not Halton Hills, this is Hilton Falls Conservation Area, and there are 3 trails to choose from, and I will show you. It is color coded as yellow, red and purple, so it depends on the difficulty level, and then there are also some falls that you can see. So we chose to do the trail that leads us to the falls, so that's what we are doing first, and then we'll see if time permits, we might do another trail. But yeah, and here in Canada, it's I would say that it's officially the start of summer. It's unexpected, but it's 29 degrees Celsius today, and it's really warm and very sunny, and I think this is the best day for a hike or to explore a trail. So that's what we are doing today, and so far we are liking it. It's all green and everything. It's as you can see, even in the background, everything has turned green, so really liking it. And I will see you guys when we finish the trail and reach the falls. Hello everybody. So we did a hike and finally got to this.
So these falls are located at the site of an old mill, and this is a list of animals that you are lucky enough to spot at these falls. So once we were on our way for the Purple Trail, this is what you finally get to. This is the biggest dam reservoir within this conservation area, and then a few pictures which are a must. And the bridge on the dam had such beautiful greenery all around that I couldn't resist myself from recording this all for you.
Hello friends, we just finished our hiking. I think we covered 2 of the trails. One trail that leads to Hilton Falls and the other one leads to the dam reservoir. I think it's called the Red Oak Trail. I will put in the details in the video somewhere. And yeah, it was almost 5.5 kilometers. It was a nice workout on a sunny bright day. It was hot, but because of those tall trees and the green shade, there was still a cold breeze, and I have my hair up, but because I'm really hot. But yeah, I will check in with you guys in some time.
And this is the pathway or the exit that you take. On one side it's the entry, and then that's where they scan your license plate when you enter, and this is the exit saying bye bye.